Hi, once again I'm back, Kosti Chatterjee. In this video, we're going to discuss a very important topic, and that is again related to life insurance industry, and that is all about your mortality charges. Mortality charges. Most of the people from the same industry, somebody from the life insurance industry, somebody from any kind of financial industry, yes, they will be knowing what is all about this terminology. But yes, as a layman, if you look out, or let's say if I'm going to purchase when any kind of policy or plan even towards any company, I do not know what is all about this mortality charges. What is all about? So that we need to understand. So whatever premium already we have discussed, the premium part. Now the premium part actually it is related the kind of risk coverage what I said. So there's two ways the premium is going to be, right? So you can go and you can watch the previous video and then you can come back to this video so that you will have a better knowledge like what is all about this premium and where exactly it is going to be divided. So the one part of what exactly I'm going to talk about, the risk coverage towards your life coverage the company is going to give you, that all depends through your mortality charges. So if I'm going to charge, let's say, even for myself, if I take an example, let's say if I'm going to pay even 10,000 towards my risk coverage, and company is going to give me, let's say, a 10 lakhs coverage. Example. This is an example I'm just going to take. So if I'm going to pay 10,000 on 10 lakhs of my risk coverage, so that is on what? Am I going to pay the same amount even if I'm a different gender? If I'm going to pay the same amount if I'm in a different age? The answer is absolutely no. And that is what we need to understand, what is all about the mortality charges. So it comes into that way. So company, any kind of insurance company, what they're going to charge towards your risk coverage, towards your life coverage, the sum assured, they are going to charge you based on your mortality charges. Means, what do you mean by mortality? So mortality is nothing but the rate of death ratio. A particular age, a particular gender, a particular, let's say, a scenario, if I look out, then definitely company has already a calculation. If you look out even any insurance plan, or let's say if you look out even any insurance company, so they will take out this data. Even let's say past 15 years what happened, even the future another 15 years what could happen. Based on that one they will give a survey report, and based on that they will design even a rate card for, let's say, a typical gender or maybe a person. Towards that even they have to pay this certain amount, so that the death ratio, the mortality ratio should be managed by this. So that insurance company, just a simple terminology I'm just going to tell. Just imagine, even I'm the insurance company, or let's say if I'm going to cover even 100 people, and just imagine all the 100 claims comes to me. So what will happen to the insurance company? It's a high risk. It's a high risk for the company, and definitely company is going to face even a lot of financial crisis. So they cannot even cover anyone. They cannot even cover even any XYZ person without knowing this mortality factor. So mortality factor is very very important, and that based on that they will charge. Even could be a different gender, even could be a different person, even could be a different age itself, and that is very very important. Before I pay the premium, the mortality charges I need to understand the ratio of the death, to understand the ratio of the living a lifespan also. Both way you can calculate, right? So I think again it's a very very important video, and I think any sort of questions, any kind of queries, if you have, I'm always welcome in my chat box, in my mailbox. Just acting for your queries, because this is all for you. If you are going to be benefited, I'm the happiest one. And I'm here to share my all 19 years experience, whatever I have faced in my past, whatever deal I have done with my clients, and whatever I have given the service to all my customers. Thanks. Thanks for watching.